Welcome back to MVP Auto, and today we're diving into something a little different but definitely exciting, the 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome. Mitsubishi has always been known for making practical, reliable vehicles, but this new motorhome takes that reputation to a whole new level. We're going to walk through the exterior, check out the interior features, talk about performance, and of course discuss pricing so you know what to expect if you're considering one. Starting with the exterior, Mitsubishi has gone for a clean, modern design that balances style with functionality. The front end carries Mitsubishi's signature grille, but it's been stretched and reshaped to match the proportions of a larger RV. The LED headlights are sharp and provide excellent visibility at night, while the aerodynamic body lines give it a sleek profile for a vehicle of this size. Large side mirrors with integrated cameras make lane changes safer, and the sliding side door provides easy access to the living space. Around back, you'll find LED tail lights and a practical tow hitch, giving you the option to bring along extra gear or even a small trailer. It's clear that Mitsubishi focused on blending aesthetics with practical touches. Moving to the interior, this is where the 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome really shines. Step inside and you're welcomed by a surprisingly upscale cabin. Mitsubishi has used soft-touch materials and modern finishes, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. The layout is designed for comfort on long journeys. There's a spacious lounge area with seating that converts into a bed, a compact but fully equipped kitchen with a 2-burner stove, sink, and refrigerator, plus a dining table that folds away when not in use. The bathroom includes a shower and toilet, making this motorhome ideal for off-grid travel. Mitsubishi also added smart storage solutions throughout. Hidden compartments, overhead bins, and under-seat storage make sure you never run out of space. Technology hasn't been overlooked either. Up front, the driver's area comes with a large infotainment system featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a digital instrument cluster, and plenty of driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and blind spot monitoring. Rear passengers benefit from multiple USB ports, wireless charging pads, and even an optional entertainment system. The climate control system is powerful enough to keep the cabin comfortable no matter the weather outside. When it comes to performance, Mitsubishi has equipped this motorhome with a turbocharged V6 engine paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission. It's not a sports car, but it delivers smooth, steady power that's more than enough to handle highway cruising and mountain climbs. Fuel efficiency is competitive for its class, thanks to lightweight construction and that aerodynamic design we mentioned earlier. Handling is stable, and the suspension has been tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and rough roads with ease. Finally, let's talk price. The 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome starts at around $65,000, making it one of the more affordable entries in the motorhome market, especially considering the features and build quality you're getting. Fully loaded with all the options, you're looking at closer to $75,000. Overall, the 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome combines Mitsubishi's reputation for reliability with modern design, smart technology, and a competitive price. If you're looking for a stylish, capable, and comfortable way to hit the road, this deserves a serious look.